Hello, friends, and welcome to your e-learning day. I have everything set up for you that follows our daily schedule, beginning with this welcome video. So I hope you've had a good morning so far and a nice breakfast, and I hope you are ready to get to work. As you look through your daily work folder, you're going to see all of these different pages, and they all explain what you're going to be doing. Some of them have videos that you can watch to help you review the ideas we've learned already, but some of them just point you in the direction of Seesaw and what you need to be doing. In phonics, I also included our spelling words so you could practice those at home. So in each area, it tells you what we are learning or what we are reviewing. Make sure if you see Mrs. Hahn, you check out her Seesaw page for intervention activities. And also, we will have art today, and Miss Pavier has included some art assignments on Seesaw. You can also check out her Schoology page for more information on what you should be doing during art time. Now, if you go over to Seesaw, that's where most of your assignments are going to be, and they're all listed here. Some of you are already getting started, and I love that. Remember, you do have 3 days to do them, but I think it's always easier to get them done in the day that you have if you are able. Remember, if you get them all done, that is so awesome, but make sure you check back before the end of the day just in case I sent anything back to you with any comments, or if I move things around that you sorted, if I move those things off to the side, it's because those things were in the incorrect spot and we want to put them in the correct spot. As you go through, make sure you pay close attention to directions. Some of us just go ahead and push add response and just start guessing at what we're supposed to be doing. But some of these have some pretty in-depth directions, and a lot of times you can listen to them. If you have trouble reading any of the words, you can push this and you can listen to all the directions. Make sure you do that before you start an assignment. You get to an assignment such as this one and you forget what the directions were, remember you can always click up here to view the directions again and even listen to them again to remind you. So make sure you remember that really awesome feature that we have on Seesaw that will help us remember the directions. So as you work through, remember to take breaks. Remember to have a little fun and click on all the links. Some of these assignments have really exciting videos and stories that can be read to you that you can enjoy throughout the day. Also, super, super, super important, we set our alarms to remind us that we need to do our attendance. So make sure you're in your purple e-learning folder right here in e-learning, and make sure that before 11 o'clock and before 1 o'clock, you do your AM and PM attendance. And if you would like to, you can join me for my 11:30 Zoom to say hello, talk about your day, and ask me any questions you have so far about your Seesaw assignments. So I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope you have a really great day with your e-learning and being able to learn from the coziness of your own home. Remember to reach out to me on Clever if you have any questions. You are able to message me on Clever with anything that you need if you're confused about a certain assignment or you're not sure what else you could do. If you want to work on something else but you finished your assignments, I can give you some ideas. So make sure you use that messages button so that you can get help from me at any time you need it. I'll be available throughout the day all the way until 3:30 when our parent-teacher conference will start. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and get started. Make sure you do all your assignments to the very best of your ability. Don't turn in anything that is not your personal best. And whatever you need help with, I'll be here. Have a great, wonderful day.